a deeper dive into the forest. Find a tranquil space where you won't be disturbed. Allow your body to sink into the mattress. Close your eyes and take several deep, slow breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Feel the weight of your body pressing gently into the bed, grounding you to the earth. With each exhale, imagine any tension or stress melting away like wax from a candle. Visualize yourself standing at the edge of a primeval forest. The air is cool and crisp, carrying the subtle scent of damp earth and pine needles. A gentle breeze rustles through the towering trees, creating a soothing symphony of leaves. Sunlight filters through the canopy, casting intricate patterns on the forest floor. Take a deep breath, inhaling the fresh, clean air. As you exhale, imagine any worries or anxieties floating away on the wind like autumn leaves. With each breath, you feel a sense of calm and peace wash over you. Step into the forest, feeling the soft earth beneath your feet. The ground is covered in a thick carpet of moss, inviting you to explore. As you walk deeper into the woods, the sunlight begins to dim, replaced by a soft, ethereal glow. The towering trees form a natural cathedral, their branches reaching towards the sky like ancient guardians. Find a secluded spot surrounded by tall ferns and vibrant wildflowers. Imagine a soft, mossy bed beneath you. Sit down and lean against a sturdy oak tree. Feel the rough texture of the bark against your back, providing a grounding sensation. Close your eyes and listen to the symphony of the forest. The rustling leaves, the distant chatter of birds, the gentle trickle of a nearby stream. All create a soothing soundscape. Focus on each sound, allowing it to wash over you like waves on a shore. With each inhale, imagine the forest's energy filling your body with vitality. With each exhale, release any tension or stress. Feel your body relaxing, melting into the earth beneath you. As the sun begins its descent, the forest is bathed in a golden hue. Shadows lengthen, creating an enchanting atmosphere. The air becomes cooler, carrying the sweet fragrance of pine needles. Find a comfortable position, allowing your body to sink deeper into the forest floor. Imagine yourself wrapped in a cocoon of warmth and safety. The world outside fades away, leaving only the tranquility of the forest. Continue to breathe deeply, focusing on the rhythm of your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, the movement of air in and out of your lungs. With each exhale, let go of any thoughts or worries. As darkness envelopes the forest, imagine the stars appearing one by one. The sky becomes a canvas adorned with countless twinkling lights. You are safe and protected in this serene environment. Allow yourself to drift into a state of deep relaxation. Your body feels heavy, your mind is calm. With each breath, you sink deeper into sleep. When you're ready, let go of the image and allow yourself to drift into a peaceful slumber. Remember, this is a personal journey. Explore your imagination and create a mental space that brings you peace, relaxation, or inspiration. The more you practice, the deeper your relaxation will become.